Hey there, today we're going to look at how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar Easy Integration tutorial. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets. Over here, click on the extensions menu at the top. After that, hover over add-ons and select Get Add-ons. Then, in the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Sheets to Gcal. Over here, click Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After that, return to the Extensions menu. Over here, click on Sheets to Gcall, then choose Import Calendar to Sheet. A pop-up will appear. Select the Google Calendar you want to import. Then click Clear Sheet and Import Calendar. Be mindful this will erase any existing data in the sheet. Over here, the add-on will start importing your calendar events into Google Sheets. Lastly, a confirmation box will appear. Click Yes to finalize the integration. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next